Have you ever wondered if it's better to walk or run in the rain? It's a question that has puzzled many of us. Picture this. You're caught in a downpour without an umbrella, and you're faced with a decision. Do you sprint through the droplets, or do you take a leisurely stroll under the falling sky? It's a common quandary that we've all encountered at some point. So what's the answer to this rainy dilemma? Let's dive into the science behind it to solve this long-standing conundrum. Imagine two characters, walker and runner, who find themselves 100 meters away from the shelter when it starts to rain. Now, Walker decides to leisurely stroll to the shelter, feeling the raindrops on his skin. He's not in any rush. On the other hand, Runner, being the speed demon that he is, decides to sprint towards the shelter, hoping to escape the downpour. As they make their way, there are two factors that determine how wet they get. The first is the amount of rain falling on them from above. Walker, taking his time, is exposed to the rain for a longer period. Runner, however, spends less time under the rain, but he's moving at a faster pace. The second factor is the amount of rain they run into from the front. Here, Runner, with his high speed, collides with more raindrops than Walker does. The experiment concludes when both reach the shelter, but who do you think gets wetter? Against common belief, the one who runs actually gets less wet. Let's unpack our hypothetical experiment's results. Despite racing into more raindrops head-on, the runner is in the rain for a lesser time, hence gets less soaked. In contrast, the walker, although dodging the frontal shower, receives a sustained downpour from above due to the prolonged time in the rain. Therefore, our verdict is in. So the next time it starts pouring, remember, it's scientifically better to run rather than walk. Stay dry, folks.